Look how close we get to this ibex here. It's pretty amazing. Look at that. I'm 5-6 feet from it right now. There we go. I can almost pet it. Love these acacia trees here. Leah is trying to show me one. Let's see if I can find it. There it is. Nice job, Elia. Very nice. This is a male ibex. You can tell by the size of the horns. And if you get real close to it, you can also tell the age of the animal by how many rings are on the horns. Each one represents 1 year in its life. Coming towards us now. Very nice. Examining us. Elia, shalom.